Hey friends, TUXX here. I've had a few viewers reach out to me asking me to talk about or review or get my take on some of the lesser expensive in-ear monitors, okay? And this is one which is available online. I know I've seen this both at Temu and Amazon, and this type of thing that you can get that. Let's compare it. I'm going to open this up and we'll check it out, and we'll see if it really compares to other in-ear monitors using the Sony NWA306, okay, which I have here in my color match case. You can check out videos for those in the description below. But anyway, this is how it comes, and I guess first off, I'll say that when you get things from AliExpress, one thing I don't like is the fact there's always stickers covering so much of the packaging. It makes it really hard to see. This one here says stereo headset, and this is considered a in-ear monitor. It's 10 ohms, okay, with a sensitivity of 98 plus 3 dB, and frequency response is 20 to 20. So all the stats look good for this to be a pretty effective and hopefully good sounding pair of in-ear monitors. The cost of these, I will have a link below with the best price, but I've seen these at a wide variety of costs, on different websites. So we'll check it out. These are definitely what I'd say would be in the sub $50 category, okay? All right, let's go ahead and we're gonna pop open the top here and check out the build quality. My favorite in-ear monitors I have so far really are the Surfans. I don't know if you've seen those before. I've reviewed them, and I show them in some of my Surfans videos, but they can be used with Sony or any other, DAPs, no problem. We're gonna pull this out here. It looks like the presentation is pretty nice, actually, and it looks like this particular one does have a microphone, or at least it has a wired remote. Let's pull this out and check out the build quality. The cable itself is braided. You guys know I like braided cables. It looks like the cable is pretty darn thin, though, actually. I don't know if the camera's catching that nicely, but very, very thin cable. But I do like the fact that it looks like it is a black cable with a clear plastic on it, which is kind of a cool touch to it, with a gloss end to it and gold on the end. So very nice. The actual in-ear monitors, this is a clip, by the way, I'm holding, are a clip and some additional ear, like rubber ear stoppers, So it's nice they include that too. Nice touch. And in fact, we'll just stick that in my little pocket over here. And then let's go ahead and pull these out. These definitely look smaller than other in-ear monitors I have from other brands. Very kind of teeny, so I'm not sure how the bass response will be. Looks like they are clear, though, which is interesting. So I like the smoked clear look to this. I don't know if you're catching this, but very smoked clear. And it looks like they're standard plugs, so you could easily unplug this, hopefully. Let's see here. Don't want to break it. Well, you know what? I'm going to leave it on for now. This appears to be a standardized plug. It's just extremely tight. So you probably could switch out this cable with another cable. But tell you what, without further ado, I'm really curious how these sound. So I'm going to grab my Sony NWA308 here, listen to some tunes, and let's see how this performs. Okay, I had a chance to listen to a few different songs in a variety of formats, everything from DSD to FLAC to MP3 files, with these little earbuds, these little inexpensive in-ear monitors. And I have to say, a few things really stand out. First off, I noticed the comfort level of these is really good, actually. They're super comfy, and maybe because they're smaller, it doesn't feel as intrusive on your ear. It doesn't feel like your ear is being invaded by some, foreign thing, So it's really cool that it's very easy to get these in your ear, and they feel really comfortable for long listening sessions. The quality of these was surprisingly good, actually. Not only did I hear a nice bass response from them, the treble sounded good, and actually I did feel like I was hearing things in HD. I don't listen to a lot of classic rock, but I did listen to the Beatles' Hard Day's Night on DSF, which is one of the most rigorous file formats, very large file format, very HD sounding, and they could pick up a nice amount of the little HD touches, I thought, that I wouldn't expect out of a pair of sub $50 in-ear monitors, So all in all, I'd say these are pretty good. Are they the answer for your, end game, most expensive, flagship in-ear monitors you'll use when listening to HD music in the most purest of fashions? Probably not. But do they sound good? Yeah, they actually do. And because of the sound limitations on the Sony NWA306, it's a little bit more of a quieter DAP than some other ones like the A&K Alpha that is strangely loud. It has an amp built in, so it's super duper loud. This little guy here sounds great, but it is a little bit more quiet, And these do a great job. The fact that these don't need as much power to be, pushed to their limit. You could actually get some amazing sound out of the Sony NWA306 without it being cranked all the way up, which is really nice. So all in all, guys, these are really nice for the price. Again, I would recommend getting, a nice super audiophile level pair of in-ear monitors, or at least like a Surfan's in-ear monitor or something, or some nice Sony flagship, headphones for, your finest listening. But I would say that for just like, maybe a flight or something, these are going to be well above a step, or two higher than like what you find through other, inexpensive under $50 earbuds. So kudos. Yeah, this is pretty darn good. If you have any question about these in-ear monitors, let me know. Again, I'll have a link for these or similar down below for you. Okay, so might be a good option for you for the beach, for flights. And if you lose them, it's not the end of the world. You're not losing some, $400 pair of earbuds or something, or more. These are just like inexpensive, but pretty darn good sounding earbuds. And they actually do a great job with HD music as well. Okay. All right, friends, I want to thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, TUXXtoys@gmail.com. I'm here to help. All right. All right, friends, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.